Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to cook latik. Our ingredient is coconut cream or kakang gata from 1 coconut, or you can use 1 canned coconut cream. So let's start cooking! And now, you're going to put the coconut cream in the pan. Set the fire at medium heat. And let's just keep stirring or mixing. So there it is already boiling. So let's just keep stirring so that the curd will not stick on the bottom and the curd will be evenly cooked. So here, what we need is patience. Patience to stir until the curd is separated from the oil. Let me give you a quote on patience. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to have a good attitude while waiting. So, just be cool, smile, and enjoy every moment of what you're doing. Here, you can already hear the boiling as the water is being evaporated and being separated from the oil, and the curd or the latik is already solidifying. Now you can see distinctly the latik from the oil. And usually, it will take you only 20 to 30 minutes to cook latik. Now, the latik is turning to golden brown. At this point, we will need to close the fire. We will get the latik now and strain it from its oil, because you wouldn't want the latik to get too dark brown to taste burnt or overcooked. And now, here is our latik, a delicious topping for maha blanca, sapin-sapin, suman, and other rice cake delicacies. So for the oil that we collected, just keep it. It is good for your diet, for your meal, for your hair. Hello guys! So what do you think of my cooking? For any remarks and suggestions, please comment down below. And may I ask for your support to please like and subscribe on my channel so that I can continue cooking delicious recipes. God bless you! Thank you for watching!